To some men and women, work means sitting behind a desk. Then there are people who like to get their hands dirty. If you like working on motors or machines or making equipment run smoothly, there's a place for you in the National Guard mechanic and maintenance career field. From 5-ton cargo trucks and Humvees to the most sophisticated machinery in the world, like ABRAMS tanks, they all need to operate at peak efficiency.
My name is Sergeant Steve Campbell from Seymour, Indiana. I am a 63 Bravo, which is a light wheel mechanic.
Wheeled vehicle mechanics generally work on cars and trucks to keep them running in top condition. Engines, electrical systems, brakes or steering. If it needs maintenance or repair, the mechanics and maintenance branch can handle it. But soldiers in the mechanic and maintenance career field don't just work on cars and trucks. Every piece of mechanized equipment the Guard uses has to be ready to roll at any time. Whether it's a Bradley, a howitzer, a bulldozer, or a heater or air conditioner, whatever it is, there are soldiers who keep it running.
I went into this MLRS really not quite sure of how difficult it would be to learn about military equipment and how it worked, but I now know I can hold my own in a shop or on the battlefield.
As a member of the mechanic and maintenance career field, you can also take care of power generators and construction equipment, even small arms. There's a place for welders and machinists, electrical technicians, mechanics for every kind of vehicle. Men and women serving their country from inside the engine compartment or under the hood. What really makes this job matter is that every repair job can have a huge impact on others. The engines, the fuel systems, the rangefinders, the firing mechanisms, they all need to work perfectly so Guard soldiers can do their jobs. Whether it's transporting medical supplies to a field hospital or removing debris from a tornado-ravaged community, whenever there's an emergency, the equipment has to be ready, and soldiers have to count on it. And that makes the mechanic's job, your job, very important.
I've always loved working with cars and customizing them. Being a light-wheeled mechanic in the National Guard has given me the skills and training I need to succeed not only in my military career, but also in my civilian career.
Find out more about careers in the mechanic and maintenance career field of the National Guard. Call 1-800-GO-GUARD or go to nationalguard.com to contact a recruiter today.